Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to understand how you can take the potential benefit of Nifty upside return without risking your capital, which means that your capital will be protected. But if Nifty goes up, then you will get the benefit and the returns from that particular upside movement. So, the title of this video is Beyond Fixed Deposits, how fixed deposits can be replaced with this unique product called as Market Linked Debentures or MLDs, unlocking the smart money secret. Okay, so the modern investor is trapped between two choices. First choice is either you sacrifice growth for safety or you sacrifice peace of mind for growth, which means that if you go in direct equity, there is high growth potential, but as you know, there is high volatility and there is risk of the capital. And in last 2.5 years, you have seen that equity markets have not really given any return, especially in India. Okay. The second option for most people is fixed deposit, where there is safety of capital, but because of stagnant yield, the fixed deposit fails to outpace inflation and eventually the purchasing power of your money is reduced in fixed deposit. Another problem with fixed deposit is that the taxation of fixed deposit is as per your tax slab, and because the interest rate is already low and then on top of it you have to pay income tax on your tax slab, the return actually in your hand is hardly around 4.5 to 5%. Okay, so what if there was a product which could combine the safety of fixed deposit but the potential upside of equity? What if we don't have to choose between either of the two? And this is where MLDs come into picture. Okay, this is a SEBI-regulated hybrid financial instrument which is designed to combine the fixed income security of bonds with high yield potential of market indices like Nifty. There are MLDs which are also tied to the movement of gold as well, but in this video we are going to discuss related to Nifty. So there were two words earlier, which is safety of debt instruments like FD, and there was another option which is alpha of equity. So MLD is in the intersection of both of these kind of asset category, where you get safety of a debt product wherein you know that your capital is secured, but you can also participate in the upside moment in Nifty. Okay. So let's look at the anatomy of a MLD, how MLDs really work. Your capital is split to perform two distinct jobs simultaneously. The debt instrument or the debt uh, portion of the MLD investment secures your principal over time, and the options capture the market upside. So there are two components of any MLD. One is zero coupon debt bonds. This is the shield of your principal or your capital. This heavily weighted debt portion naturally matures over 2 to 3 year tenure to return 100% of your initial capital. And the smaller portion is market options, that is derivative strategies which are used by the companies that operate the MLDs. This is your capital's growth engine. This is a smaller portion which is actively parked in market derivatives to capture index upside and generate alpha or generate the potential upside returns. Okay, so let's look at couple of scenarios. Scenario A, the market falls. This will shield your capital. Let's assume if the market crashes, your underlying debt portion matures, effectively returning 100% of your initial capital back to you after your MLD tenure completion. the downside market risk is completely neutralized and you do not lose any part of your capital. Even if the equity market yields zero returns, your principal remains protected. That is the beauty of this particular product. Okay, so let's say the market is crashing over 3 years period, your 70% debt portion will eventually cover your capital and you will get back your capital. This is in case of market fall. Now let's look at scenario B, where the market rises. This is where your capital growth opportunity lies. If the market rises, then the remaining 15 to 30% of options portion triggers an absolute multiplier effect. For example, 1.4 to 1.5x of the movement of Nifty. So if index grows 10%, your MLD yields around 14% absolute return. Here, what you see is, let's say Nifty goes up by 10% over the tenure of your MLD instrument, which is typically around 3 to 3.5 years. Then you will get a return of 1.4 multiplier, that is you will get 14% return after the completion of your MLD tenure. One thing to note over here is MLD payouts are structured as absolute returns over 2 to 3 years tenure, not CAGR, which means that if you invest in an MLD today, you have a investment horizon of 3 to 3.5 years, and whatever returns that you're going to get potentially will be delivered to you after the completion of the tenure of the MLD. Okay, there are few clients who ask me that if I want some liquidity in my portfolio after 2 years, let's say I invested 50 lakh rupees in an MLD, but I want 10 lakh rupees for some kind of purchase. What should I do? So in that scenario, we also help you to facilitate a security backed loan based on your MLD investment. So for example, if you have a 50 lakh rupees investment in an MLD, we can arrange up to 15 to 20 lakh rupees of loan against your MLD or loan against security at a very nominal rate for you to get liquidity and for you to not have to uh, you know sell your MLD investment. Okay, now the best part about MLDs is that there is a golden balance that you can achieve with this particular product. MLDs structurally engineer the optimal traits of both asset classes into a single investment or a single instrument. So here is a simple chart to understand it better. There is fixed deposit and there is direct equity and there is MLD. Capital protection in fixed deposit is very high because your principal is protected. In direct equity, there is no capital protection. Your capital can go down by 30, 40, 50% if the market goes down. In MLD, again, your capital protection is very high because your principal is protected. Return potential in fixed deposit is low because you know it is around 6.5%. Direct equity is very high. It can go to 50, 70, 100% or even beyond that as well. And in MLD also it is very high because it is linked to the market, especially to the index. Okay. Market risk in fixed deposit is none because you will 100% get back your capital. The direct equity, there is very high risk of you getting the capital back because the market risk is very high. In MLD, your downside is protected, which means that you will get your capital back if the Nifty goes in the negative in the next 3 to 3.5 years, which is the tenure of your MLD investment. Okay. Tax efficiency, you have to pay slab rate. Okay. In direct equity, you have to pay LTCG. In MLD, okay, this is an old slide, that's why it's showing 10%, but actually in MLD, you have to pay slab rate only, okay, which is the nominal tax rate that you pay for your income. Okay, so similar to fixed deposit, the taxation over here is slab rate only. Okay. Now, for high net worth individuals or high net worth families, this gives a great edge for you. Okay. First is it is a regulated and rated kind of a product which is strictly regulated and monitored by SEBI, and it is also given rating by independent rating agencies like CRISIL and ICRA. Earlier, there used to be a tax advantage, but now the tax advantage is gone. You have to pay your tax slab rate. But again, because there is a potential of much higher returns as compared to your fixed deposit, this is still a very high returns potential product as compared to a fixed deposit, because your downside is protected. Okay. And then there is exclusive access. Most of the times, this MLDs are having a minimum ticket size of 10 lakh rupees and above. Though there are some companies which offer it for 5 lakh rupees and above also, but usually it is 10 lakh rupees and above. And this is also a capped investment, which is, this is not a retail kind of product where everybody can come and invest like a mutual fund, etc. This is for people who are looking for an exclusive product which is specialized for their needs and requirements. Okay. Now, what are the rules of engagement or rules of investment in an MLD? Here, the discipline is very much required. MLDs are very powerful, but they carry some kind of specific constraints. First constraint of an MLD is there is a strict liquidity lock in this particular product. You must hold the MLD until maturity, typically 2 to 3 years, to guarantee principal protection. Exiting early breaks that particular principal protection shield. This is the reason why we said that if you want some kind of liquidity through your MLDs during your investment period, we can arrange a loan against security for you at a nominal rate against your MLD investment. Okay. So that will give you liquidity option, but exiting from an MLD before the completion of the tenure is not possible. Okay. Second risk, but this risk is very much minimized with a good quality issuer, is issuer credit risk. If you are lending the money to a manufacturer, you have to ensure that you invest only through reputable, highly rated issuers to mitigate default risk. Now, there are many companies which are selling MLDs in India, but you have to make sure that you are working only with people or companies that are highly reputable with a good repayment track record. Just the way that we at Auris Wealth have shortlisted very few companies which have a good track record of payment and good credit rating, such as Nuvama, such as Edelweiss, IIFL, 360, and Incred. Okay, so these are all top tier financial companies in India, and we only work with these companies specifically for MLDs. Okay, because we know that the credit risk is very, very low or almost negligible. Okay, so as you saw, that MLD is a great product for people who have high capital. They want to participate in equity market upside, but they also want to make sure that their initial capital is completely protected. They don't want any kind of downside risk in the market, but they want to generate higher potential returns as compared to a fixed deposit or a fixed instrument or fixed income product. And this is where MLDs are the perfect amalgamation of the debt as well as equity product with zero downside or loss potential and potential capturing of upside movement through nifty linkage. There are multiple versions of this kind of MLDs. There is a version where you will get 5x multiplier up to 10%. For example, there is one product of Nuvama Wealth where if in 3.5 years, if Nifty goes from 0 to let's say 5%, you will get 5 into 5, that is 25% return. If Nifty goes to 8% in 3.5 years of your investment tenure, then you will get 8 into 5, 40% fixed return. And if Nifty goes 10% or beyond in 3.5 years of your investment tenure in that MLD, then you will get a maximum of 10 into 5, that is 50% fixed return. This is one kind of product. Then there is another product where you will get fixed 6% return every single year, so that you are getting minimum of fixed deposit return, wherein you are ensuring that not only your principal capital is protected, but even your fixed deposit return is protected, wherein you will get 22.5% return fixed. And beyond that, if Nifty moves, let's say Nifty moves to 30% or 35%, then you will get that return. For example, you invested 20 lakh rupees today, you will 100% get 22.5% return. Okay. If in 3.5 years of your investment horizon in that MLD, Nifty goes up by 35%, then instead of 22.5%, you will get 35% return. Okay. So there are many other versions of MLDs that are available, which is suitable for different kind of investors with different risk profile or different requirements. So if you want to inquire about investments for yourself, your family, then just fill the form in the description box below. Make sure that you take out 2 to 3 minutes to answer every question, because it will help us to understand your current and future requirements and your goals in the future. And based on that, we will give you a call back, and after that we will conduct a meeting to further discuss about potential investment opportunities for you and your family. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video valuable, then do subscribe to Auris Wealth YouTube channel, and also give this video a thumbs up. And if you know somebody who might benefit from this kind of a product, then do share this video link with them in your WhatsApp groups. Thank you so much.